So welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you what is oops concept in C++. So if you are preparing for a college level exams and you are preparing for placements, this course is for you only. I will also provide you the notes in the description as well with the code. So let's begin to the course. So in this video I will talk what is oops. So OOPS refers to the object-oriented programming language. So to implement real-world entities like abstraction, inheritance, and encapsulation, OOPS concept was introduced. So why OOPS concept was there if we are having the functions and another procedure level language? So if we talk about in the C language, if we have to write a code for a game, so we have to write a code. For one button we have to write a code one time, and for two button we have to again copy paste that code. So OOPS concept really solve this problem, like we will creating a a blueprint like a form type, and we will just calling that form in our main function. So let's begin with the classes. So what are classes? Like we can see that I can relate with the real life example, like there is a car. So in the car it has a features like gear system and steering wheel and wheels and different types. There are multiple cars like Maruti is a one car, BMW is a one car, Mercedes is one car. So these all are related to that car, one car that having the features like gear and wheels. The car is the main, is the parent class, and all the different cars like Maruti, Mercedes, and these are all our derived classes because they all inherit the features of car. So if I talk about in code, we write class car, and this is a syntax of the class. So like I am initializing int years, let it be 6, and string color, it be red. So this is a syntax of class. So I am created a class car and I will calling in the main function. So how we will be calling? To call the class, to create an instance of the class, so we create an object. So now another definition comes. What is an object? So object is defined as an instance of the class with some characteristics and behavior. With object we can able to access our class data members and data functions. So I am creating one object of class car. So car object, it is just a variable name, you can give any. So if I print object dot bears and object dot color, so if I run this code, you can see, that we are able to access the properties of the class. So this was all concept of classes and objects in OOPS. So in next video I will talk about the features of OOPS. So let's look onto the notes. Like we have covered the OOPS, it is given in the definition form, and example, real world life example is also in the notes, the definition of class and object in one code. So I will also provide you the notes in the description also. So hope you like my video. So thank you.